we have to simplify each expression. In the first example, we have negative 36 divided by 2 minus 17. When we have integers, the order of operations is the same like for positive numbers. So first we have to do division and next subtraction. So we have to divide negative 36 by 2. 2 is positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive number. So we have to divide negative number by positive number. Negative divided by positive or positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. It's like this, the same rule like for multiplication. When we multiply two numbers and one of them is negative, the answer is negative. When we divide two numbers and one of them is negative, the answer is negative. So now the answer will be negative because we have negative 36 divided by positive 2, and in parentheses we will divide 36 by 2 and we have minus 17. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, 36 divided by 2 is 18 minus 17. So this is equal. Now we have negative 18 and negative 17. We can rewrite this, that this is negative 18 plus negative 17. And when you rewrite this operation, now you see what we have to do with. We have like addition of two negative numbers. How we do this? Because both of them negative, so we keep the negative sign and we have to just add 18 and 17. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 18 plus 17 is 35. So we have answer negative 35. Next example, we have negative 7, when we don't have any sign, it's multiplication, times negative 4 plus 13. Again, when we have integers, the order of operations is the same like for positive numbers. So first we have to do multiplication and next addition. First we have negative number times negative. Negative number times negative give me always positive number. The same is with division. When we divide two negative numbers, the answer is positive. When we multiply two negative numbers, the answer is positive. So we'll be positive, and we have to just multiply 7 times 4 plus 13. We have to copy, so this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 7 times 4 is 28, and we have plus 13. So this is equal 41. And the last example, we have multiplication and we have addition. Like I said, for negative numbers, we have the same order of operation like for the positive numbers. So first we have to do multiplication and then addition. So negative times positive number. We have to memorize negative times positive or positive times negative. The answer is negative. So we will write a negative sign and we have to multiply 1 times 17 plus 7 we have to rewrite. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 1 times 17 is 17 plus 7. So this is equal negative 17 plus 7. Addition of two integers, one is positive, one negative. How we do this? We check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about the signs before these two numbers. We just check these two numbers, 17 and 7. 17 is greater than 7. So next we check the sign before the larger number is negative. So we copy this negative sign and we just subtract from the larger number smaller. Negative sign we rewrite. 17 minus 7 is 10. So the answer is negative